Are you looking for a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Church Point, Louisiana? Power Dumpster Rental is here to provide top-notch service for all your waste disposal needs. Whether tackling a home renovation, clearing out your garage, or managing a large construction project, we have the right size dumpster for you. With our well-maintained, driveway-friendly bins, we cater to a wide range of customers, from homeowners to construction professionals. Booking with Power Dumpster Rental is straightforward and hassle-free. You can easily reserve a dumpster online, and our dedicated customer service team is always available to ensure your needs are promptly met. Once your dumpster is filled, we'll handle the rest with our efficient pickup and disposal services, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your project. Power Dumpster Rental proudly serves the Church Point community as a locally owned, veteran-operated business. We deliver dumpsters and support our neighbors by providing sustainable waste management solutions. We prioritize responsible disposal, recycling whenever possible, and reducing landfill waste to protect our environment. Ready to simplify your waste management needs? Visit us online at www.powerdumpster.com Dumpster Rental Church Point, LA, or call us today at 337-784-1927 to get started. Choose Power Dumpster Rental for a clean, efficient solution to your waste management needs in Church Point, Louisiana.